Welcome back to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today we're celebrating Ginger on Ginger's Corner of YouTube. She hit 1,000 subscribers. Her saying is, "There's no wrong way to play with paper." Now, in celebration of her 1,000 subscribers, there is a creative hop and a giveaway. And she actually provided us with some embellishments in this cute little envelope. Now she has a tutorial on how to make this envelope on her YouTube channel. Super cute way to do it. Now this is my own fault. I got this caught up in my jacket, but that's okay. Look at how fun that is. So all of these embellishments are handmade using paper scraps. Now, I think this is super adorable. She asked me my favorite color, if I scrap by season, if I scrap by something else or theme. Well, I typically do theme and season and those kinds of things, and clearly my favorite color is blue. Plus I have a little boy, so blue makes it super easy. Okay, in typical Ginger fashion, we are going to play with some scraps today. So, I am going to push myself. My goal is to use every single one of these on my layout somehow. Now, I don't think I'll use the envelope, but I may end up taking off this and then using this chipboard piece. I may just end up dismantling this a little bit. We'll see what happens. And I'm going to challenge myself to use my scraps from Good Day Sunshine by Echo Park. The only scrap I have left, or the only scrap available, is this cute little multi-icon plus red letters. I've only used this collection one other time, so that's the scraps that I have from that collection. I do have a pretty much full sticker sheet to use at my disposal, and then here's a quick flip through of the papers. Aren't those fun? So I think these embellishments, especially those, look at that right there, are going to fit perfectly in with this collection. Super fun. I'm going to get my layout prepared and we will come back and figure out how I'm going to use every single piece of these embellishments that Ginger has provided, plus my scrap paper. How fun is that? What a great challenge for myself. Okay, so here is my photo. It is of my son playing outside in the summer with a little ball. He's not a huge fan of the grass on his bare legs and feet, so having something to distract him is perfect. Now, I am going to go a little bit crazy with this, just a little bit, and it's going to be totally fine. This is actually something I picked up that I really, really like from the Bash Your Stash scrapbook group. Facebook group, and one of the challenges during International Scrapbook Day was to make an embellishment band. Okay, so the requirement was to get a 2-inch strip of paper and just cover it with embellishments, and that was it. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. I'm going to use my scrap piece of paper plus a green background. And I will show you what that looks like here in a second. So my scrap piece of paper was 9 by 12. Well, I cut it down to 7 by 12. My paper is going to land right here on my green cardstock. But first, let me show you what my idea is. So we've got a band of paper here and then another band of paper right here. Some call this the T design, L design, whatever, you know. And then my photo is going to land right here. This looks okay, right? You can see the photo, you can see the pop of red. But watch what happens when I add green behind it. Right? Isn't that awesome? So that green does not take away from the photo. In fact, it makes it pop more. Now, all of my embellishments are blue. So what's going to end up happening is that this white shirt is going to kind of look blue by the time we're done. So I started my embellishments here by taking all of my tabs that I received from Ginger from her scraps, and we are going to make a couple borders. Super easy. Okay, so we are just gonna plop plop, fizz fizz, alternating between the blues and the colorful ones, just alternating between on both sides. Now I can do this on both sides because we have enough. And I'm going to put one up here. So there are all my tabs. Okay. Now I've got a spot missing right here. I'm going to use a tag. So that tag is going to act like another tab. Now the fun part begins. We are just going to layer, 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 layer. So there's my thing. And now, do I care that these are sideways? Not in the slightest, because watch what happens. As I move up and down my clusters, they're not going to be able to really tell what any of this is. Okay, and then I got these things. I think they're shells maybe, or hats. I'm not exactly sure. But watch what happens when I add them. Don't want that one. Let's do this color and this color. They're just going to kind of fill out the blank area that was left between all of my clusters. Add another one right there. So you really can't even see the background of the paper. You're really not going to notice it. Okay. Last one, I'm going to end up right here. This is from the top of the envelope. It was a chipboard piece. I took it down to the bare bones. It's going to slide right underneath here. My son's not at the beach, so we're not going to say Standish hose, but we are going to cover it with this icon, the stamped image. Now that is how you get a lot of embellishments on a page, man. Isn't that fun? So that is my big band of embellishments. Now I am going to add my title and another little spot. So I've got this journaling card. With this tag, I'm gonna go ahead and place that right here, kind of off balancing here. And then I've got a swimsuit and a little starfish and a bucket. And then a little shovel. So shovel, shovel. That yellow is a good color. And then look at this. This is super cute. I already added glasses here to make it look real. I'm going to add glasses to this guy too. How cute is that? Okay, and then I've got flip-flops. Flippity-flop, flip-flip-flops. Actually, I'm going to add the flip-flops up here, I think. So now, my other cluster is going to have a starfish and a camera, because you know I love taking pictures. And then we're going to add some flip-flops. Look how cute that is. Look at that. Okay, Last item from all of my kit, all the embellishments that Ginger sent us, is going to be the title. It's going to be Summer right across here. It is going to all be straight, but I can't get it to go underneath. There we go. They're all going to be tucked underneath that red and just say Summer. How cute. Oh, I forgot one more thing. You know how I said I was going to use these? I'm going to get them on here. Okay. So this came from outside the little window. And we're just going to kind of surround the photo with this cute sparkly stuff. That's going to tuck under there and tuck underneath that fish. And this is going to tuck right here. So it's just going to surround my photo. Isn't that cute? Thank you, Ginger, for all the fun summer embellishments. I just bashed those. Thank you, Bash Your Stash Scrapbook Facebook group, because man, what an easy way to get a lot on your page. Now I am leaving this open because I am going to put the date of the photo on here. I don't need any journaling, but if I were to add journaling, what I would do is tuck something right along here. The width of the photo, just kind of peek it out in white. Kind of like that. Okay? Just so you have a representation of where your journaling would go. Please hop along. These hops are so much fun. You get to see everybody's different embellishments that Ginger made for us out of her scraps. Check out her YouTube channel. She does an awesome job of using scraps to embellishments. Congratulations, my friend. Hope you have a wonderful day celebrating you and your success. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.